In the far west of Cumbria, Barrow in Furness is a very different town to the picture postcard image of the nearby Lake District. It has a proud industrial heritage. But at the local hospital on the hill above the town, things have been going very wrong. The problems centre around the maternity unit at Furness General. Since 2002, 37 families have launched legal action against the trust that runs the hospital, the majority of the cases in the last 2 years. They include the deaths of 14 babies and 2 mothers. Joshua Titcombe died 9 days after being born at Furness General in 2008. A coroner found that midwives repeatedly missed chances to spot and treat a serious infection. That led to a police investigation into his death and others.
The sad thing is it really was a number of years before something was actually done, and that was through an inquest, a police investigation. It took that before the regulators took action.
There are also serious questions about an internal inquiry into the hospital's maternity services in March 2010, just months before it sought prestigious Foundation Trust status. It was highly critical of maternity staff. It described team working in the unit as dysfunctional and said consultants had little confidence in the clinical leadership. But the regulators, and in particular the Care Quality Commission, never saw the report.
It goes back to an organisation which is defensive, where the clinicians also were defensive about looking at mistakes, near misses, things going wrong, reflecting, doing grounded clinical audit in their work on a regular daily basis to see when things happen, learning the lessons. And that wasn't going on.
There's now a new management team in place at this hospital, and in a statement they said there was no denying that women and their families had been badly let down in the past. But because of the ongoing police investigation, they couldn't comment on individual cases. The Care Quality Commission also wouldn't comment while an independent review of its role was being carried out. A public inquiry has been promised, but even the families caught up in the tragic events at the hospital don't want to see services cut, just safe, competent care. Dominic Hughes, BBC News, Barrow in Furness.